Alrighty guys, so today I'm going to be talking to you about the Vaultz locking media binder. Essentially what this is it is a hard binder and it is made to organize and collect CDs, DVDs, games, whatever, anything that's shaped like CDs really. So, growing up I had a lot of DVDs that I was collecting and got just over the years, and when streaming and all that stuff came around, we almost threw a lot of them out. Luckily these things came along and essentially acted as a great way to store a lot of the old things that we had. So yeah, really nice in a lot of ways. I'll kind of open it so you can see it. I'm trying to be a little careful with that. Alright, so there you go. So as you can see, yeah, I have hundreds, and this isn't even, all of it. This is just everything that we had, and this is from, Disney, places I worked. Essentially, just got like tons and tons of DVDs. So, cool thing is that we had a way to store them really nicely and conveniently. This holds over 100 DVDs a piece. Vaultz has all different sizes for a lot of their boxes. This one I really like specifically, just because of the shape, the way it looks, the size, everything. It worked nicely. So I actually have a couple of these and they stack up really nicely as well. So yeah, very convenient, can be tucked away anywhere in the house. And on the inside, as you can see, they have these little nets and things like that. So not only can you hold DVDs, but you can also, whatever else you can think of, you can really put it in there nicely. As for the whole design, this thing is super lightweight, obviously, until you get all your DVDs in here. Then it gets a little bit heavier, but on its own, for the build, you'd be surprised. It's actually very, very lightweight because it looks like a tank. It's a 3-ring binder mechanism, and so you could put really anything that's 3-hole punch ready in here. So even if you don't want to just use it for these little CD covers that it comes with, by the way, these little plastic Vaultz CD slips, you can also put pieces of paper that maybe like section dividers or things like that if you'd like as well. Makes organizing a little bit easier, and that's really the whole point, right? On the side comes with this little carrying handle, very sturdy, very easy to carry. I don't spend a lot of time carrying this thing around. It's mostly just, at home. But if you need to move it from room to room, that can make life just a little bit easier, I guess. It feels really sturdy all around. You have these nice, like, aluminum rails that go around the outside of the body. I've had this for about 7-8 years now, and they're still making a lot of them. They're very popular, but they're still looking really, really nice and pristine. And then you also have this like grip-like material on the body. It's got that real that modern bank vault sort of feel or design, sort of look to it, I guess you could say. Although I've never really needed it, just because I don't feel the need to really necessarily protect my DVDs from anybody. You do have these little code combinations that you can put on the inside, so that's really nice. And then simple push to the side, unlock it. So yeah, you can do the 3, put in your code. Remember it because I've definitely had one of these where I've accidentally adjusted it, and luckily I've left it all on 000 for the most part, so I've never had an issue. But it does lock up, so you won't be able to get in if you forget it. Some of these come with keys and things the like. This specific one does not. So you are just dealing with that. But otherwise, yeah, it's very simple, very sleek, very durable, and holds a lot of DVDs. So if you're someone who maybe wants to hold on to things just because why not? It's like look at how vinyls have come around. Like, let's hold on to some DVDs and see what happens. And you'll always have your old collections in here, and it's nice every once in a while. So whatever you decide to store, these Vaultz media binders are great for many, many things, and I would highly recommend getting a few of them. to take your storage and everything to the next level. So yeah, Vaultz Media Binders. Get to organizing. Later, y'all.